Well, it's a rainy day, but I just wanted to get a final look at my garage build here. So overall, I'm really happy how this turned out. This is 32 by 56 and has 12-foot ceilings inside. Just wanted to do a quick walk around. We're actually moving. I'm sad to leave my beautiful garage, but duty calls. It's mostly to do with family and stuff. So anyway, just wanted to document this. Got a couple mini splits back here, one for upstairs, one for downstairs. These garage doors really turned out nice. They're the thickest you can get from Midland garage door. So that shows that side. But yeah, overall, really happy with how it turned out. The only thing I never got to do is put gutters on it, but otherwise everything's done on it, and really happy how it turned out. So this is the front of the garage. I had to take my shoes off because it's all clean in here. So overall, really happy how this turned out too. It's 12-foot ceilings, 32 by 56. It's got a little bathroom back there. That's where the mini split ended up just because of location, but it kept it really nice in here. It's insulated well. It's lit up really well in here. I just did a nice sanded plywood on there. I thought about painting it and all that, but never got to that yet. Did set up for workbenches on both sides. See, it's echoey because it's so open and empty. Got a little 240 volt plug, garage door back here. That's where the mini split ended up. Did a utility sink out here, which I'm really happy with. And this is the bathroom. I just did the same, did all plywood in here. It's a little funky here because of the staircase, but got a water heater. Got the radiant heat for future radiant. Just got it tidied up for the new owners. Put a light under there. Some paint storage. Got the toilet washer dryer hookups. Got a shower. Ended up being a little shelf above there too. Probably they could put some kind of tile or something in there. And this is the upstairs. Going up here. So this is how this turned out. I put a nice glass door coming up the stairs so you can see, so there's no surprises. So that's where the mini split ended up there. This is a nice big space up here, 14 feet wide. It's 8 feet tall in the middle. I did the attic style trusses that I built. And yeah, this ended up being a really nice space. Because of doing the double truss for the stairway, I had a little cubby on this side. I was thinking about putting a door in there, but I just finished it off. Did some vinyl plank flooring up here. I offset the door a little so that I could get it in here, but also make the most of the wall space here. This is the end that I used for my office for a little while, but it could be a bedroom. It's got this pine on it. I really like how it turned out, Dungy Groove pine. So yeah, I just finished it off. Kept it pretty basic, but this is a nice space up here. Really happy how that turned out. So 56 feet long, 14 feet wide. And yeah, so that's kind of a tour of the inside. I ended up just doing painted plywood, the same as what I put downstairs, the sanded plywood. And this was just gonna be kind of a playroom for the kids and storage and things like that when I did it. I fully planned to live in here, or we keep this place forever, but we had some plans change with the family and stuff, and so sadly I have to leave, but I guess I can always build another one before I get too old. So anyway, yeah, overall, really tickled at how this thing turned out. Stairs and everything turned out great, just the way that I had hoped. I marked out for the future owners where I had thickened the concrete and left the radiant out of that area for potential car lift in the future if desired. Put a bike rack up there. I love how clean and open and stuff that it is. It's definitely my favorite build to date. All right, guys, well, I really hope you enjoyed this video. This was one of my favorite builds to date, building that garage. I'm really sad to leave that garage behind, but I'm hoping that maybe someday I can build a different garage. We planned on staying there forever. There were just some life changes that happened that we had to make some decisions, and so we decided to leave. So we left Montana and we moved to Kentucky, so that's quite a change for us. But we are going to be a lot closer to family this way, and hoping for some shorter winters for a change, things like that. So the trade-off will be high heat and humidity and ticks, but you know, we'll figure that out as we go. So anyway, but this is going to be the last episode in this series, except for when I get a chance, hopefully this winter when things slow down a little bit, I'm planning to do a cost breakdown for you guys. And maybe also I can figure out some plans for the trusses if I can get that figured out. You know, there's been some requests for that. So as always, I really appreciate the support, guys, and be on the lookout for future videos coming up on our next adventures. So thanks for watching, guys.